Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today I have no makeup on at the moment because I am going to be comparing some foundations from the Dollar Tree. So I recently hauled a brand called NuColor. And so here is a foundation and here is a BB cream. And they look very similar, really identical, let's just be honest, to the Sassy+Chic BB cream and foundation. So I don't know, I'm sure they're the same, but I'm still curious. So I am going to be comparing these and see if they're different, how they're different, see what they look like. I do have them both in the same shade. These are both in medium 1. So if that sounds good to you, definitely keep on watching. I do a lot of Dollar Tree makeup and haul content if you love Dollar Tree oriented content. And if you do, I will have my playlist linked down below with more videos like this. Also too, I would love to ask you to subscribe and become one of my Dollar Divas for more content like this. Of course, if you're returning, thank you so much for returning. Yeah, my chair swivels and I do have a tendency of doing this all the time. So just bear with me. I don't even realize I'm doing it. Anyways, let's just go ahead and hop into today's video. So I'm gonna go against what I normally do and I'm gonna just start with foundation, kind of give you first impressions, then finish up my makeup and kind of give final thoughts. Looking at the ingredients in the CC creams, they appeared to be identical, but I was noticing with the foundations, the Sassy+Chic has a lot less ingredients than the NuColor. So as you can see, the ingredient list is a lot different. Other than that, they seem on the outside to be about the same. So I'm gonna put the Sassy+Chic on my right side and the NuColor on my left side. So here is one difference between the two, is the spout. The one with the bigger opening is the Sassy+Chic and the one with the smaller opening is the NuColor. So right away that is different. Other than that, the packaging is about the same. The NuColor is a little bit longer of a package, as you can see. So now they're both 1 ounce. The NuColor is 28 milliliters and the Sassy+Chic is 28.3 grams. So I'm sure that's the same amount, just they're using a different measurement. So I'm gonna shake both of them up, even though I don't think you really have to. So on this finger here is the Sassy+Chic, and this one here is the NuColor. They seem about the same. I don't seem to really notice a difference. Neither one seem to really have a scent, so that is consistent. I'm just gonna use a sponge and just use one side to blend out one and the other side to blend out the other. I have always liked the Sassy+Chic BB cream and foundation. I'm gonna apply a little bit more of the Sassy+Chic. So now I'm gonna blend out the other side. So at first glance, they really seem exactly the same. I don't know if my skin condition on this side of my face is just a little bit better, but this side of my face looks a little bit smoother to me. But they seem to be about the same as far as I can tell right now. So I'm gonna apply the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. So I have got the rest of my makeup on and kind of I think the verdict is that they apply, smell, look the same. Like I said, with the only difference being is the packaging being slightly different and the ingredients list being a whole lot more ingredients for the NuColor. You know, if I had to choose between the two for this particular foundation, between the two of them, I would still pick the Sassy+Chic because the ingredients list, it just has less ingredients. And that makes me feel a little bit better, you know? But yeah, really, as you can see, they're the same. But I did want to try this. I thought it would be fun. I did also use the BB creams to clean up my eyebrows because they're light and I know they're fairly thick. And I, again, used the Sassy+Chic on my right eye to kind of clean up under my brows. And the NuColor on my left, they seemed about the same as well. So we kind of got a double whammy in testing out, comparing these two products. And yep, the verdict is they're about the same, as best as I can tell. So thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I will have my entire Dollar Tree makeup and haul playlist linked down below so you can binge watch some of those videos if you enjoy Dollar Tree content. If you did enjoy this video, show me you did by hitting that like button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.